In this video, we are going to talk about the best lawn sweepers to help you clean up leaves, grass clippings, and debris without the hassle of raking. Whether you have a small yard and need a simple push sweeper or a large property that requires a powerful tow-behind model, we've got options for every need. We've picked these sweepers based on ease of use, efficiency, and how well they handle different types of debris. Which one do you think is the best? Let us know your top pick in the comments. Now, let's get started. At number 4, the Ohio Steel 50S WP26 Pro Sweeper is a heavy-duty tow-behind sweeper designed for large yards with a lot of leaves, grass clippings, or debris. It works by attaching to your lawn tractor, so you simply drive while the sweeper collects debris into a large hopper. The 50-inch sweeping width covers a wider area than most sweepers, so you won't have to make as many passes across your lawn. One special feature of this model is its spiral brushes, which pick up debris more effectively than standard straight brushes. The extra-wide chute helps prevent clogging, which is common in many other sweepers, so you don't have to keep stopping to clear it out. If you have a large property with a lot of leaves and need a powerful, reliable sweeper, this is one of the best choices available. At number 3, the Brinley STS 427LXH A42 Tow-Behind Lawn Sweeper is another tow-behind model, but has the added advantage of being easier to empty and store. Like the Ohio Steel Sweeper, it attaches to your riding mower and collects leaves, grass clippings, and other yard debris into a hopper as you drive. The 42-inch sweeping width is slightly smaller than the Ohio Steel model, but still covers a large area efficiently. What makes this one special is its pull cord dumping system, which allows you to empty the collected debris without having to get off your mower. This makes yard cleanup much faster and more convenient. Another great feature is that it can be stored upright, so it takes up less space in your garage compared to other sweepers. If you need a tow-behind sweeper that is easy to use, dump, and store, this is a great option. At number 2, the AgriFab 26 Push Lawn Sweeper is a manual push-style sweeper, which is ideal if you don't have a riding mower but still want to clean up leaves and grass clippings faster than raking. Instead of pulling it behind a tractor, you simply push it like a lawnmower, and the rotating brushes sweep debris into a large 7-cubic-foot hopper. It has an adjustable brush height, so you can set it at the right level to pick up more debris without damaging your grass. This model works best if you have a small to medium-sized yard and want an affordable, simple way to keep it clean. Since it's lightweight and easy to store, it's also great for homeowners who don't have a lot of storage space but still need a convenient yard cleanup tool. At number 1, the Scotts 26 Push Lawn Sweeper is another push-style sweeper, but it's even lighter and more compact than the AgriFab model. It's a good choice if you have a small yard and need to clean up dry leaves and grass clippings without using a rake. The spinning brush system collects about 80% of debris in one pass, making it a time saver for quick cleanups. The adjustable brush height lets you set it to the right level for better performance. However, this sweeper works best on level ground and is not designed for wet debris, rocks, or larger objects like pine cones. If you want a basic, budget-friendly push sweeper for small yard cleanups, this is a solid option. If you have a riding mower and need to spread fertilizer or ice melt efficiently, the AgriFab tow-behind spreader is the best choice. If you have a large yard with lots of leaves and need a heavy-duty sweeper, the Ohio Steel 50 tow-behind sweeper is ideal. If you want a tow-behind sweeper that's easy to empty and store, go with the Brinley 42 tow-behind sweeper. If you don't have a riding mower but want a faster way to clean up leaves and grass, the AgriFab 26 Push Sweeper is a good option. And if you need a lightweight, budget-friendly sweeper for small yard cleanups, the Scotts 26 Push Sweeper is a great pick.